Hello, little man.
Let us know in the comments.
No, Thursday was my birthday.
Look at the little guy.
I don't even know what day it is. I don't know.
I'm getting ready to talk about another plant.
I told you. Hello, friends. Happy Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. I don't know. It's been a stressful week. I'll tell you all about it. But first, I got to get my coffee. And then we're going to go let Mabel and Gizmo out. And then we're going to go to work. So, let's get started with the day. Well, hello, little man. How you doing? Hi. What you doing? Are you a happy boy? Are you happy boy? Yes. Hello, old girl. How you doing? Okay, guys, you want to go outside and go potty? Good boy. Did you go potty, big boy? Yes. Okay, did you go potty? Yes. So I did not pick up the camera the last couple of days. As many people know, Thursday was my birthday. And Thursday would have been the 16th anniversary of my husband's death also. I acknowledge my birthday. I do not celebrate my birthday. It just his death overshadows any kind of celebration, and to be honest, it makes me feel guilty. A lot of people don't understand that. I'm not asking anybody to understand that. I am, however, asking people to accept it. So today is a rainy day. It's Saturday. I'm on my way to the part-time job. So that's what I did. I just kind of chilled. I didn't pick up the camera. I didn't do anything, which I should have. I should have been doing some recording, but I just needed to walk away from it for a little while. And one of these days, they're going to fix this road. One of these days. So, let's go to work. Ooh, that's bad.
Well, let's see here. Plant is diseased. They got a mite. But I got a few of them that are still going. There's that one. Got a really good one. Look. Couple more. Gonna see what happens. I try to treat it, but it's just not seeming to do much. They're eating all of them as they come up. So watermelon are doing really good. There's one there. Got a really good one over here. Where'd it go? Looky there. They all keep dying off and splitting. That's what happened to the cantaloupe also. I don't know how to prevent it. So, we just gotta see what happens. Moving forward. But trying to leave the watermelon alone. Just let them do their thing. Now this one's looking really good. We have a rogue plant. We don't actually know what it is, so just gonna wait it out and see what happens. Pepper plants. Trying to do something. Oh, there is one. Woohoo. And then, where'd it go? Look at the little guy. I'm excited. Just planted some zucchini and squash. I don't know what's going to happen though. We'll see. Look. Coming together. I'm excited for next year, you guys. That's all we can do is hope that next year's a better year. Bug-wise, I'll have more understanding then. I did learn, if you take cucumbers, put them in the ground, they prefer that. They don't like to be disturbed. So the hope next year is every 3 weeks you plant a new crop. And that way you have cucumbers all year. All right, here's the experiment. Pumpkins. Some right over there. Just gonna see what happens. That's all we can do now.
Finally made it back? Yeah. Your aminos are ready. They ate this morning.
Oh, good.
And they've been out twice. So
It took them 2 days to figure out
I complained about them and then they got better. It is what it is.
I gotta get around and go to pick your mom.
So, do we have any detailing?
Yeah, there's a Chrysler 200 just like your mom's over there.
Okay.
Go do that tomorrow.
Okay.
And you could go ahead and do that. What the hell is it? Cobalt, Cavalier, whatever it is.
Cobalt, yeah.
It's going to need to have some clear coat work done on it.
Okay. How's the motor?
No lights, cold air.
Oh, good.
115,000 miles on it.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can go ahead and sand the edges of the clear.
Clear failure. Okay. Where's it at?
And I'll probably need your help shooting it.
Where's it at?
The Cobalt?
No, where's the failure? On the car.
From about here up to the other side in the same place.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hood, top, trunk.
Pretty much everywhere.
It's red.
Really? It's red? Okay.
Is what it is.
Do what we did
We'll
do.
make it look a little better.
Hey, it's a car lot car.
That's right. Try not to get through the paint that's not covered by clear, but
Tall order. Tall order. I only gone through the paint a couple of times.
I know.
But that was when I was learning. I was dumb. Is that your extra hand?
Yeah.
Got enough junk? There's only 2 of you.
I know.
What you doing, little man? Are you happy Papa's back? Yes. Oh, looky there.
We bought it from the artist. His name is on the side of the cup.
Joe Dawn Brave. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Don't like my camera? You don't like my camera? Okay.
Oh, I'm off.
Big boy.
Yeah, he is.
It's time for the truck to get an oil change again. Oops. I'm not sure why that's still there, but whatever. It's stuck. It's stuck in there. That's not a good place for my face. Still not a good place. But I'm running out of space. Oh, now I can't reach. There we go. I told you. I told you. You know, of all the vehicles we've owned, honestly, I think this damn truck is the worst when it comes to changing the oil filter. Because it's butted up like snug against the oil pan. You got the drive shaft for the front drive shaft for the 4-wheel drive. You got the cross member running into the oil pan. Over here is the pumpkin for the differential, the front differential. Everything's in the way. And it makes it almost impossible where to go. There it is. To use one of these. One of these stupid things. Almost impossible. I hate it. God. Look at this. I did it again. think about everything I got in me to do. Ow! Ow! Okay, that hurt. New gloves. Well, looky there. I think we got storms a-brewing. Man.
I'm getting ready to talk about another plant that's here on the house, at the property, whatever you want to call it. It is very sentimental to me. I know for sure this thing has been here for 37 years. I've never known a time without it. So I actually thought I lost it a couple times this year, but we'll see what happens. So the vegetable garden is not the only plant I have that I've had to try to keep alive. See if I can get this all in frame. I sent my mom a picture from what it was at the beginning of the year, and it ended up with black spot fungus. So I lost a lot of it, but she's flourishing again. Actually, she's having a whole little thing down here. I'm getting shoots everywhere. We're so excited.
Okay, now this is funny to me. This rose bush reminds me of like an unruly toddler. You go in. Now we don't touch anything. We're just here for this stuff, for certain stuff. We're here for school supplies or whatever. All this makes me think of is an unruly toddler. Touch, touch. Because that one bit of the bush gets up there to that small window. Touch. To touch it, must touch. Doing the opposite of what you're told. Tell me to do it, I won't do it. Tell me don't do it, I will. Kind of it's a little bit of the autism in me, but it also reminds me of my children. So, what do you think of it? Next step, now that we got the drain plug back in place, put an oil filter in. Racing the clock for the weather. Now, a good rule of thumb is when you change your oil filter, you want to stick your finger, I'll show you here in a minute, stick your finger in the oil, obviously with gloves on, and you just kind of coat that seal, that rubber seal, like you would a baking pan, a greasy baking pan. You're lubricating it, basically. And you don't have to do this part, but it makes life a little bit easier for later on. For 10 minutes, 20 minutes down the road after you finish it and drive, pour some oil in the oil filter. And you don't have to get extravagant with filling it up. Just put oil in this, because if you don't and you just put this up there dry, you put it up there dry, the heat from the engine is gonna make this rubber seal brittle. So put the oil around it at least. Put it on there. If you put it up there empty and then top off your oil there, you drive a couple miles down the road to the gas station and back home, you're going to have to add a little bit more oil up there, because it's going to cycle through and it's going to fill this up first. Knock a step out by putting oil in this, and I'll show you. I'm a mess, so don't take every tip from me. Oops. Stay. Ooh, that was overboard. Okay. If you have a small funnel, like a small tip funnel, it would not be a bad idea. It wouldn't hurt to use it in order to avoid what I just did. Dumping oil everywhere. Well, while I act like I don't make messes, I'm curious. about something. And we will talk about that when we get into the truck. Alright. So, I'm curious as to what you guys think. My sister, I think it was my sister. It was mom. It was my mom or my sister. Talking about one thing I can add, one idea of something I could add to these vlogs is, I don't know what she called it, like a Tori Tuesday or something like that. I don't remember what she called it, but basically just like add in little short, like a short segment of like a short, quick tutorial of, hey, you know, how to, hey, here's how you do this, or here's how you do this, you know, here, fix this, like, kind of like what I I don't speak English anymore, apparently. Like how I just showed doing an oil change. Now, it's not the same for every vehicle, obviously. I needed that towel. I'm an idiot. Whatever. I got black pants on. Do like a Tori Tuesday. Do a tutorial, a little short, quick tutorial segment of how to do different stuff. Like oil change, for instance. What do you guys think? Should we do it? Let us know in the comments. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Now, technically, you should be doing this when you put your oil filter back on. Stupid sunglasses. Technically, you should only put it on hand tight. Like snug it by hand. But this truck, you snug it down by hand, it leaks out of that seal. So, like where the oil filter seals to the engine, the part that I said to lubricate, it leaks from there. Just profusely. Not profusely, but you know what I mean. So we snug it just a bit more. Just to make sure it's sealed. There. My gloves are all oily and nasty and greasy, so I can't hold on to it. But I put like no effort into that. Ta-da! Now let's see if we can go up top and add the oil and the oil treatment.
Yeah, Labor Day weekend means nothing to us. We take advantage of the day off to do things we wouldn't normally have time to do because of labor. Anyway, I'm just gonna get some things done around the house. Look at my succulents. They're looking so good. Especially my golden sunset. It's survived. Crazy. And then look at my West Jagu. Man, they're all so full. I need to go and get some potting soil. Anyway, time to get some things done, including a project that I have completely procrastinated on. Well, welcome to the catch-all bedroom. Another one. What I want to do is kind of straighten things up. This is where I ran my entire jewelry business. So we're going to get things a little cleaned up because I want to start bringing in all of Becca's stuff in here. And there's a big bed, but we're not going to put it up. We're just going to reposition it. Alrighty. We got it. We'll just move everything to that wall. Not today.
Instructions say 1 quart of this to every 1 quart, every 4 quarts. 1 quart to every 4 quarts of engine oil. So, you put the whole thing in. That's not the point. I'm trying to hurry here because it's starting to rain. Ooh, it's a dark sky. One more to go. This thing takes about 5, a little over 5 quarts. So it's the 1 quart of the treatment, and then about as close to 4 quarts as you can get with this one. A little bit more. Ooh, it's starting to rain right now. I need to hurry up. Get wet. A little more. There. Now the catch pan is still underneath the truck, but the ground is wet. I'm not doing it. I'll grab it here in a few when this quits.
Well, folks, thanks for hanging out on this side of the driveway. Until next time, deuces!